I'm going to go over a set of pliers, a set of fishing pliers, and this is from the company KastKing. I have actually reviewed a lot of the KastKing product and been very impressed with everything they have. Well, I just picked up their Paradox 7.5-inch angled nose split ring pliers, and I just wanted to show y'all exactly what these things look like. So I just got them in. I'm going to put them to the test. I'm here at a little local lake down from my house, and you know, I have my little collapsible fishing rod that I keep with me. So when I do come across these lakes like this, I have my KastKing box here that has all my fishing lures, and there's my little rod, and I can pretty much stop and then fish real quick. Well, I wanted to test these pliers out today, so let me go ahead and unbox these and let's see what they look like, and let's just kind of like go over them real quick. So let's do that now. They come in this little blister pack right here, and they look awesome. Look how they have a blister pack with an actual KastKing logo on there. But let me just kind of like go over some of the features of these. I love a pair of pliers that have a lanyard, because a lot of my fishing is from a kayak, and I want to be able to attach this to my life vest or something like that. And then check out this case. This is like a rubberized type case, it seems like, with a belt clip on it, and it looks to be a removable belt clip. Look at that. You can actually remove that belt clip. It can go into your pocket or a like down inside of a vest. You've got the KastKing logo on there, and you can actually adjust this thing. Look how this thing adjusts left and right. Just the case is impressive. Look at that, everybody, like that. And then if you want to go this way, I can go that way. So, you know, it can go in or out either way because it does adjust. So let's just go over the pliers itself here. Number one, it looks like they're 4.3 that way and 7.5 that way, so about the length of my hand. They have an ergonomic design to them. They have a locking mechanism, check that out. And then this is stainless steel, so it's anti-corrosion. It's anti-corrosion resistance on it. They're very light pliers. They feel like they don't weigh much. This is a line cutter right here, and this is great for like crimping in split shots. If you're doing like a drop shot and you need to put a split shot on there, you'll crimp down on that like that, and that goes good right there for like adjusting lures. I don't know how many times I've bent hooks or bent fishing lures, and I've been having to try to pry on back, and then I can't get a good pair of pliers for that. I love that they actually thought that out and put that little edge on there right there. That's really cool. And this top right here is for like straightening up lures. If you had something you just want to straighten it up, you just run it down through there, and it looks like it's different sizes. It looks like it goes from a small to a large. You got 3 sizes there, and that's for weights right there. And then this is for hook removal, so if you had to remove a hook from something. Very high quality. I tell y'all, you will not be disappointed. You get a set of these for the price. These things feel absolutely amazing. I'm going to go ahead and tie this rod up. Let's just try it out on some line here. This isn't like obviously braid or any high strength line, but it'll kind of give you an idea on how quickly you can cut this line. Look at that. That is razor sharp, and these are replaceable if you bend them or something. You just reach out to KastKing and they'll send you another set of those. Very good on that. Let me go ahead and tie this little rod up, and let's do some fishing today. So let me do that. You know what? I have my box here. Maybe a swim bait today. That's what I might do today. So let me go ahead and do that now, and I'm going to use the pliers when I set them up. So cut that off. Look how easily. So I had this tied up earlier. Let's cut that off. So check that out, everybody. Tied that up. So when you want to cut this tag in, check this out. Boom. Look how quickly that was. That's awesome. That's super simple. Those things work great. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the KastKing Paradox 7.5-inch pliers. These things, I will be using these amongst my fishing travels coming up. I have a big trip to Florida coming up where I'm going to be doing a lot of fishing. I can't wait to put these to the test in some peacock bass down there. So I'm excited. So yeah, see ya.